before.
Soon Gordon was approaching Wellsworth, the express's first scheduled stop.
Who's fastest and best now?
Spencer! Those are my coaches!
But how? Uh-oh.
Gordon, where's Spencer?
Sir, there seems to have been a mix-up.
This is a disaster. We shall all be late. Everybody back on board, quickly. Oh, no. Gordon, follow that engine.
The poor express passengers were missing their stops.
Stop! Stop that express!
Silly Gordon. Doesn't he ever give up?
Gordon chased Spencer all the way to Callum Castle.
Now, who's number one?
Why have you stolen the express?
But I didn't.
Spencer, explain yourself at once.
Oh, Thomas and Philip must have got our coaches confused, sir.
Is that what happened, Gordon?
Yes, sir. But it wouldn't have happened if Spencer hadn't been at my platform.
Well, you told me that special engines always leave from platform 1.
I may have given him that impression, sir, but I didn't.
Oh, enough excuses. You are both to blame. Your arguments and racing have caused confusion and delay. And you've brought the express passengers here where they didn't want to go.
Sorry, sir. Yes, sorry, sir.
So, Gordon and Spencer were sent to take the passengers back to the stations they had missed. When Gordon returned to Knapford, it was almost midnight. He was exhausted and didn't care which platform he was on anymore. Neither did Spencer, who had just returned with the Duke's guests.
I hope you two know how silly you've been. Go on, apologise to each other. It's a new year and a new start for you both.
Yes, you first, Spencer.
I'm sorry I took your platform and upset all your passengers, Gordon.
And I'm sorry I teased you about which platform was the best. There's not that much of a difference, really. Whether it's the number 2...
Or the number 1! Or the number 68!
Daisy was on her way to Harvey when there was trouble.
Harvey.
Daisy? Is there a problem?
These crates on the line.
Oh.
I guess I'm going to be delayed now. That's not very useful, is it?
I could move the crates with my crane, but then I would be running late too. I have to go and pick up a replacement passenger coach for one that Diesel derailed this morning.
No need for that. I can pick up the extra passengers without a coach.
Oh, how useful is that?
Very useful. But right now, not as useful as having that. You swingy thingy.
Oh, you mean my crane? Oh, right. So, I'll move these crates.
And I'll pick up the extra passengers. And you'll never guess what. They did the puppet show right there.
Oh, that sounds so funny.
It was magnifique.
Magnifique.
You're not supposed to be friends.
Why would you ever think we wouldn't get along, Diesel?
But you're both so different. A diesel rail car and a steamy with a crane.
Oh, dear. What's the matter with him?
Oh, silly engines, acting like they're so special.
Diesel was in such a grumpy mood that he didn't notice that the points were set towards the ramp that led down towards the sea.
Ah! No! I don't want to go! My bottom's wet!
Oh, don't worry, Diesel. I'm here.
Harvey? Why are you helping me? I wasn't very nice to you.
Oh, I know, Diesel, but I'm always willing to help.
Do you know what I think, Harvey?
What's that, Daisy?
Maybe what makes an engine really special is not how they look, but what they do. Like you, Harvey, helping Diesel after he's been causing all that trouble.
But Diesel can be uniquely useful too, Daisy, when he's pulling cars and helping on the railway.
And then there was trouble.
Oh, no! I can't stop!
James!
Rosie! Help!
James! James! James!
Oh,
You okay, James?
I think so. How's my paint looking? I'm really in trouble now.
You can say that again, James. I've told you many times about showing off and rushing about. And now you've ruined the shed.
But, sir, James has had problems with his brakes all day. He was trying to be careful. He even went to the steamworks to have them fixed. You did go to the steamworks, didn't you, James?
I did go, but I thought the problem had stopped, so I didn't wait to get fixed.
Oh, honestly, James, it would have been better to fix your brakes when you had a small problem before it turned into a much bigger one.
I'm sorry, sir. Sorry, Rosie. I should have known another red engine would give good advice.
At least you proved one thing today, James. For a while there. You really were the fastest red engine on Sodor.